I will graph the constraints. Graph 20x plus 10y is less than or equal to 50,000. And we're going to graph x plus y is less than or equal to 4,000. Before I start marking off my graph paper, I want to find the intercepts. So I kind of know how to mark it off. I'm going to do a little T-chart. I've been writing x-intercept, y equals 0. Well, you could also do this. X-intercept, y is 0. 10y is going to be 0. So I'll have 20x equals 50,000. Let's divide 50,000 by 20, and that'll give me the x-intercept, 2,500. So for one constraint, x-intercept, 2,500, 0, let's find the y-intercept for that same one. This time I'm going to plug x equals 0. I'll just cover that up. Divide 50,000 by 10. Since I had 10 times y equals 50,000, I get 5,000. My two ordered pairs on the first one, 2,500, 0 and 0, 5,000. I don't want to mark my graph just yet. Let's see what we have on the other one. That'll help us out in kind of spacing it out. For x plus y equals 4,000, it's less than or equal to, but we have to graph the straight line. Let's plug in 0 for y. I'll cover that up. X equals 4,000. 4,000, 0 is my pair. And then for the y-intercept, x is 0, so y equals 4,000. 0, 4,000. As I'm looking at these numbers, I'm thinking in my head, okay, I want to kind of space it out on my graph, but I'm going to mark it by 500ths. Let's put in the grid. I'm going to use this Sharpie for the X and Y axis. Last time, in fact, I did this, and I never would have thought of this. I learned it from a student last semester. I could put the X and Y axis right on the edge. I'm only using the first quadrant. That Sharpie wasn't very good, was it? I'm going to mark by 500ths. I'm thinking I need to get up to 10 spaces here. Can I by chance go by threes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just about. I will make that work. 500, 1, 2, 3, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. 1, 2, 3, 25, 3, 35, 4, 45, a little bit higher. Got that. Then on the x-axis, I'll go by threes for that as well. So 1, 2, 3, 500. Oh, there's my 1,000? Let me just mark it and try not to talk at the same time. Okay, 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, 3,500, 4,000, 4,500. Okay, on the y-axis, 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 25, 3,000, 3,500, 4,000, 4,500, and 5,000. So plot the intercepts for one of the lines. I have 2,500 on X. And that same line, we have 5,000 on Y. So I'll take my straight edge and connect those dots. For the other one, mark 4,000 on the X and 4,000 on the Y. And take your straight edge and connect those dots. I do need to find the intersection point. The feasible region is going to be this part of the picture that these lines will enclose. Stay in the first quadrant because I cannot send negative amount of supplies. That would just be terrible. I'll find the corner points, plug into the objective function, and then answer the question.